Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain RBC credit card activation. To activate your new RBC credit card, you have a few simple options. You can easily do it online through RBC's secure banking portal by logging into your account. Alternatively, you can call the activation number provided on the sticker on your card or in the card's welcome package. Make sure to have your card details ready for a smooth process, allowing you to start using your card right away. Once activated, your RBC credit card unlocks a world of benefits designed to enhance your financial life. Depending on your specific card, you could earn valuable rewards like cashback on everyday purchases or points for travel and merchandise. Many cards also include important insurance coverage, such as purchase protection and travel medical insurance, providing peace of mind. Plus, robust security features protect your transactions. Before fully committing to your RBC credit card, it is important to consider a few key aspects. Some cards may carry an annual fee, which varies depending on the card's premium features. You should also be aware of the interest rates for different transaction types, such as purchases or cash advances. Understanding these details helps you manage your finances effectively and ensures the card aligns with your spending habits and budget. So, is an RBC credit card worth it for you? The answer largely depends on your individual financial situation and how you plan to use the card. If the rewards, benefits, and insurance coverage outweigh any annual fees or interest charges based on your spending patterns, then it can be a valuable tool. Carefully review the card's features and compare them to your needs to make an informed decision that truly benefits you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.